My credit card didn't go through. I'm balling, I feel like I'm Goku. Hey, yeah, come again.
Hey, GETMADE Squad, it's Janice, and welcome back to my channel. Hopefully this video finds you wonderful, great, excellent spirits. So guys, we are here. We are in the year 2021. I hope everything is going great and wonderful for you guys. I'm not sure if you guys did New Year's resolutions. I don't know how they're going for you. I've heard some people have already given up. And I'm like, okay, it's like with any goal or anything in life. Anything worth having, you have to work for it. So if things aren't going according to plans, you don't just toss it all away and just like, okay, trash, we're going to just throw the whole year away. Like, you don't have to go to that extreme, guys. So like, if it's not going the way you plan, just regroup, resituate things, replan things, whatever you need to do, and still go after those resolutions or goals or whatever you have set for yourself, if you have set something for yourself. I believe you should always have goals, whether it's the new year, middle of the year, end of the year, wherever. Set yourself goals so you have something to attain, something to make yourself better, something that you're achieving and going towards. Makes life interesting, you know, spice it up, do something different, throw something different in there, you know. You never know what you like and who you're going to become and what new opportunities are going to present themselves to you if you're not putting yourself out there. So if it's not going according to plan, it is okay. It's okay. It's all right. Life is not perfect. It's not supposed to be. Things are supposed to get in your way and topsy-turvy everything, and then you're just supposed to recover from that. If everything is going good and you are on your goals, okay, I see you. Tell yourself you love yourself. Either way, congratulate yourself and keep on pushing. So yeah, challenge yourself. With challenge comes change. So challenge yourself. It's okay. Change can be good. Tell yourself that. Change can be good. You can find the positive out of anything. Alright guys, so that is my little message at the beginning, a little message. Let's jump into the second reason why we are here, and that is on this unit that I'm currently rocking on my head. Oh guys, so this unit dropped, I think this unit dropped at the end of 2019. I feel like it was a thing in 2019. And in 2020 is when I was trying to get the color, but they kept selling out. So anyway, I don't have a stock card because I don't even know what I did with it. This is Zury Sis Chill. So Chill was very popular. A lot of YouTubers reviewed her. She was a gorgeous unit. I wanted the specialty colors. So this is when Zury first dropped the tie-dye colors, okay? So there's tie-dye blue, I believe, yes, tie-dye blue and tie-dye plum. And so Chill, when Chill came out, people started reviewing her in the tie-dye blue, sold out. You couldn't find her anywhere. I kept checking and checking. Yeah, it was during quarantine. I remember I was checking and checking and checking. I couldn't find her. She was selling out. So either she released at the end of 2019 or beginning of 2020. Anyway, so I want this unit. Zury wasn't restocking, probably because of COVID and different things like that. Not really sure. Anywho, fast forward to about November, and I think Diva Tress posted a picture that she was restocked. I was like, yes. So I didn't order from Diva Tress. I forgot where I got this unit. But we're just gonna jump to a 1 month update. So let's get into the cons. She is a shiny unit. The other con I have is she's a gorgeous full unit. Love the curls. I wouldn't consider her an everyday unit. I don't know if it's because this particular color or if it's just her in general. I can wear colors all day, so it's not because of the color. Like, I don't care. I wear a different color every day to work. I really don't care. It's not because of color. It's because of the texture of the hair. So she does tangle. The first few days were fine. I probably worn her in a month's time. All together for about 2 weeks. Not every day, but if you add up all the time, it's about 2 weeks of wear. And she's, you know, she tangles. So, you know, you brush her out, she looks good, but then throughout the day, you know, you can just see and tell that she's getting tangled again. The ends are still okay for right now, but they do have that frayed, kind of get into that frayed territory. So I don't know how long this is going to last if I keep wearing her back to back to back. So if you get her in this color, because I'm not sure about the other colors again, make sure you have wet conditioner. I do use my mixture of the fabric softener and water, so I'll spray that on my units. Just make sure you really condition her and take good care of her, and then she'll last long. And really, that's the tip for any synthetic unit. If you, most of them, some of them there just isn't any saving no matter what you do. But most of them in general, you can keep them going by conditioning them, making sure that, you know, you once you take them off, you brush them out, you know, take good care of them. I know they're not human hair, but you still spend your money. It's still an investment. So protect your investment, preserve your investment, get the most out of that investment as much as you can. So those are the cons. Pros, of course, this color. You can't tell me nothing in this color, okay? Color is gorgeous. There is I just have a slight little, I don't even know what you want to call it. I guess you can call it a picky issue. I do love the color. I feel like the color would be like straight fire if, okay, so you see, let's go over what's going on, okay? All right, so you have the dark purple up here. And it fades into this yellow and into this kind of vibrant orange. I love this neon orange yellow. Okay, and then you got this kind of hot pink fuchsia color. Gorgeous. And then you have the purple, kind of violet purple here. And then you have this big chunk of this plum purple. Well, I know it says tie-dye plum. But I wish what they had done is maybe like a tie-dye violet or a tie-dye black. I feel like this chunk of lightness just takes away from what's going on here. Like this just is so cohesive. Like look how it just kind of blends. It's like a beautiful color blend. Like I actually got, you know, a human hair blend and then got some colors and did that. Like that is gorgeous what they did here. Just I don't like this. It's still pretty. I still will rock it. I still like it. But the improvement, there you go. Improvement I would make would be to move this purple to here. And then, it's going to be so fire. All right, squad. I do believe that I did kind of pluck this area right here just to open the parting space up a little bit. She does have some lace going on right in the front, maybe like 1 inch, so you can manipulate the hairline if you want to, just to make it even more, look even more natural. I didn't do that for Thanksgiving because I was just trying to get to the food. And then once I wore her to work, I still forgot. So this is fine for me. She does come with baby hairs. So these are some of the baby hairs from the unit mixed with my own baby hairs. All right, guys, let me know. Did you ever pick up Chill? Did you pick her up in a natural color? How is she doing for you? Did she work well for you? Did you have any issues with her tangling or being dry or anything like that? I really do think it's because of the color blend that she kind of tangles. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for taking the time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. I do have a goal. I did mention earlier, my goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. So I'd love to get to that goal within the next month or so. So I'm asking you guys to please help me out with that. Share my content, share the videos that you like, the hair reviews, please share those. Thank you so much for all the likes, and so much thanks for your comments, taking the time to do that, taking time out of your day to leave a comment. I love seeing those and talking to you guys in the comments. And if you're new to my channel and you've seen some of my videos or you're watching this video, just hit subscribe. It's free. You don't need the stimulus check. You don't need your tax refund. You don't need anything. It's not hurting you. Just boom, and you're done. And then if you're feeling really generous, you get that notification so you know when a new video is headed your way. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.